Welcome to another J&J test video for another Hummer. S7HU231, 176,000 miles. Hit here in the left front, broke the hood. Good running. This is a pretty clean truck. Good running LQ4, transmission works, mirrors fold. They're the fancy all chrome ones. Not too bad. Has all the colored moldings, silver rear bumper, spare tire hitches, meh. Pin in there in case it wants to jump out. It's a hybrid edition, not really, but steps, rock rails, all that jazz. Give you an engine test video. Mike Bear's coming with a loader. The fan to quiet down, but alright, holding good oil pressure, all that. I'll shut the hood and take it for a drive. It has a hole in the tire, that's why I can't air it up. That's what they look like at the end. CD player works. Let's see. Oh, look at that. It might not come all the way out. Oh, you guys think? Oh. Ooh, Dixie chicks. Alright, let's go drive around. Oh, yeah, reverse camera. I gotta show you that before I forget. This is the camera there. It doesn't pop out. Oh, yeah, folding mirrors, all that jazz. I forgot all that. Folding in, folding out. All right, let's get this show on the road. To come off, but that's okay. Transmission seems to be okay. She goes pretty good. Shifts, all that. Alright, go down here and park it. Other Hummer brothers, and that'll do it. CD player, reverse camera, sunroof doesn't work, door panel's good. Yeah, that's about it. As always, thank you for watching. S7HU231. Oh, wheel came off. And as always, have your pets spayed and neutered.